Hey guys, it's Lucy Kate and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I cut bangs again, so we're back with the bangs. I was just really missing them, so I thought why not cut them. And as I always manage to do in my YouTube videos, I reference the Vampire Diaries. Well, Nina Dobrev, the actress who plays Elena/Catherine in the Vampire Diaries, recently cut bangs, and it just kind of made me want to have bangs again, so here we are. As you can tell, I'm wearing this really cute Barbie pink dress today, and the reason why is because I'm going to be doing my version of the Barbie girl makeup trend. So before we get into the video, if you're not already subscribed, definitely hit the subscribe button. I upload makeup videos, chit chats, hauls here and there. So as we all know, the Barbie movie has been trending, it's gone viral, you know, everyone was anticipated for this movie, and it's been out for a while now. By the time this video is up, it's probably going to be like mid-August, I'm guessing. Kind of been a while since the movie was released, but I have saw lots of YouTube videos pop up on my feed where people have been doing their sort of like Barbie girl makeup. I haven't watched that many videos, to be honest. This is just going to be my image of Barbie makeup. And unfortunately, I'm not blonde. I was blonde like 3 years ago, and it would have been perfect to do it then, but I'm gonna be a brunette Barbie for today. So let's get into the video. I actually already went out today to run a few errands, so I still have my foundation on, mascara and some lipstick. So I'm just gonna do cheeks and eyes, and I have two cheeks with me which I can't decide which to use. So we have the Hello Kitty at Frostbite blush, and I use this for like my cold girl makeup video, and it looks like this. This is a really cute light pink. But I also have this blush from BH Cosmetics. It's called Honolulu Hideaway. I think I'm gonna use this one today because this one has more of a shimmer to it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sort of mix these two colors together. It's a really gorgeous like hibiscus imprinted in the blush. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply this on the cheeks. Okay, so this is what the cheeks look like. They are pretty pink, but I wanted to make them stand out. So this is what it looks like. And next I'm going to apply some highlighter. Highlighter is, you must already know, it's my favorite highlighter. It's the ColourPop and Flexitarian Super Shock highlighter. I think I'm going to need to get a new one soon because this one broke once and I squished it back in, but yeah, and it's just the most gorgeous highlighter. It's been my favorite highlighter for like, I don't know, 5+ years now. It's just, it never fails to amaze me. So we're gonna apply this on the nose and on the cheeks. The face makeup is done. It's pretty easy because, you know, I already have my foundation done and everything. And the good thing with bangs is if you're lazy like me and you don't like early mornings, you can kind of skip applying foundation and applying any makeup on the forehead. I like having bangs, you know, and technically you don't really need to have perfect brows. You can just hide it with the bangs. But anyways, we're gonna move on to the eyes. The eyes and the lips is gonna be the main part of this makeup. Barbie girl makeup, like my image is like matte pink eyeshadow, and surprisingly, even though I have so many palettes, I couldn't find a perfect matte pink eyeshadow, which I was pretty surprised about. I thought I had like every color in my collection, and to be honest, a few years back I did own the ColourPop pink palette. It's called Ooh La La. I don't know if they still have this anymore, but it was like the 9 pans that they do, which is like the monochromatic series, and I bought it in like a Black Friday sale or something, and to be honest, I never really used it because I don't really do monochromatic color looks, and unfortunately I got rid of that one. And now when it comes to this Barbie girl makeup, I'm like, wow, I wish I still had this. I just got these two palettes out of my collection, and so we have the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. This has practically every color you need when it comes to natural makeup. So for this palette, I'm gonna use it for the pink shimmers they have. They don't have any matte pinks, but they have these gorgeous shades in the corner right here, so we'll use these later on. For the crease, the main color, I chose this palette, which is the Makeup Revolution Soph Extra Spice collaboration. So I really love Soph Does Makeup, Soph Does Life, I think it is now. She's done like 3 collaborations with Makeup Revolution, and this is the second eyeshadow palette she did, I think. She has a newer one after that, and funnily enough, the 3rd collab she did actually had a matte pink inside, but I didn't purchase that one. So this is what the Extra Spice looks like. I used this back in college, I'd say. Back in 2nd year of college, I really enjoyed using it. So it's been a while since I've used it, so let's hope the colors even work. It has 18 shades, and you get a good variety in here. It's not just natural colors, but you get some greens, some red shimmers, a silver, you even get a matte black, and here she has the color 21, which is so nostalgic because I bought this palette when I was 21 years old, so I don't know if this is going to be a matte pink or if it's going to turn out as a matte red, but it does look kind of similar to my dress, maybe. Yeah, so we're just going to apply 21 in the crease, and let's hope that it's the color that I'm after. This is what the crease looks like, and it actually turned out to be a really cute Barbie pink. I'm really in love with it. It matches the dress perfectly. So next we're going to put some sparkle in the lid. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette and use this color right here, Sissy. So Sissy is going to be the main shimmer that I'm going to put in the center of my lid, and for the tear duct and eyebrow highlight I'll be using the shade Faint. So it's a pretty easy look actually. The crease finished the main part of it. Oh, and yes, after that I'm going to take 21, the pink shade that I just used, and I'm going to put it in my under lash line as well. Here is the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is complete, and I know that some other people have done like more, you know, in-depth cut creases and like added glitter and shimmer, but this is like my everyday Barbie girl makeup. So this is the kind of makeup look that you want, you know, you're not really used to using colors, you don't want to use too much glitter, but you kind of want to have Barbie vibes. This is the eye look that I would do. I did apply mascara early in the morning, but it's probably faded away by now, so I'm going to reapply some of my ColourPop Act Natural mascara. This has been my favorite mascara as of lately. And I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner right near the lash line, and I'm just going to use this Japanese eyeliner right here. So after that, I will come back and do the lipstick on camera with you guys. Okay, so the eyeshadow, the eye look is complete, and I'm really liking this. You know, it's been a while since I've used pink eyeshadow. I mean, as you can see, I hardly have any pink eyeshadows in my collection, but I love how it turned out. It's this really cute natural pink look. So finally, we've got lips to do. We have lipstick to apply, and I actually have the perfect Barbie pink lipstick in my collection, and it is this. This is the NYX Soft Matte Metallic Lip Cream in the shade Milan, and I mean, the name says it all, but it has a metallic finish to it, and it's this shiny Barbie pink color. It's going to really match my dress and the eyes perfectly. We will apply this, and it's really nice on the lips too. It's not too drying. So after we apply this, we will be complete, and I will come back with my final thoughts. So here we have it. This is my take on the Barbie girl makeup trend. It turned out to be a natural pink makeup look. I think this is more sort of a colorful makeup look for people who tend to gravitate towards natural eye colored makeup, natural eye makeup. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this trend. I'm going to take some pictures and some real content.
the plan. You always felt bold.